Welcome to a journey through Georgia's ancient landscapes, where stones tell tales of time. These aren't just rocks, they are the very soul of a nation. From towering peaks to deep river gorges, Georgia's geological tapestry is incredibly rich. Each formation holds secrets of Earth's powerful forces. These unique stone formations are more than natural wonders. They are deeply woven into the historical fabric and cultural identity of Georgia. For millennia, stones have been silent witnesses to Georgia's triumphs and struggles. They are the enduring legacy of its people and land. How were these magnificent stones formed? It's a story of geological processes unfolding over millions of years, shaping the very land we see today. Volcanic activity played a crucial role, spewing molten rock that cooled into durable igneous stones. These are often found in mountainous regions. Sedimentary stones, like limestone and sandstone, tell tales of ancient seas and rivers. They formed from layers of accumulated sediment. Metamorphic stones, such as marble and slate, were transformed by intense heat and pressure deep within the Earth's crust, creating unique textures. Georgia's diverse geology offers a stunning array of rock types. Each has distinct properties, making them suitable for various uses. From the rugged peaks of Svaneti to the fertile plains, geological formations are everywhere. They are the backbone of Georgia's natural beauty. Quarries, both ancient and modern, reveal the raw beauty of these stones. They are the source of material for countless architectural wonders. The raw stone, in its unrefined state, holds immense potential. Its texture and color hint at the masterpieces it will become. Georgian stones are not just geological marvels. They are the very foundation of the nation's architectural heritage, spanning millennia. From the earliest settlements to grand medieval fortresses, stone has been the material of choice, offering strength and timeless beauty. Ancient Georgian churches, often perched on remote mountaintops, are testaments to the enduring power of stone and faith. The intricate carvings and robust masonry of these churches showcase unparalleled craftsmanship, preserving history in every stone. Fortresses, like Ananuri, stand as formidable guardians, their stone walls echoing centuries of battles and strategic importance. The sheer scale and resilience of these stone fortifications are awe-inspiring, a testament to ancient engineering prowess. Even bridges, vital for trade and travel, were masterfully constructed from local stone, blending seamlessly with the natural environment. Traditional Georgian houses, particularly in mountainous regions, are built with local stone, reflecting a deep connection to the land. The meticulous craftsmanship involved in shaping and laying these stones is a skill passed down through generations, a true art form. Beyond their structural role, Georgian stones hold profound cultural and spiritual significance, deeply embedded in the nation's soul. In Georgian folklore, stones are often imbued with mystical properties, guardians of ancient tales and ancestral wisdom. Religious practices often incorporate stones, from the foundations of sacred sites to the altars where prayers are offered. Elaborate stone carvings adorn churches and monuments, depicting saints, biblical scenes, and intricate geometric patterns. These carvings are not merely decorative, they are visual narratives, conveying spiritual messages and historical events. Monuments, both grand and humble, stand as powerful symbols. They commemorate heroes, mark sacred places, and define national identity. Each stone, whether part of a grand structure or a simple marker, carries symbolic meaning, connecting the past to the present. Today, Georgian stones continue to inspire, finding new life in contemporary architecture and modern artistic expressions. Architects and designers appreciate their durability, unique textures, and rich color palettes, integrating them into innovative projects. Artists transform raw stone into sculptures and installations, blending ancient materials with contemporary visions. Specialized teams work to protect these sites from erosion, pollution, and the ravages of time, ensuring their survival for future generations. Alongside preservation, promoting sustainable quarrying practices is vital. This balances resource extraction with environmental responsibility. Responsible quarrying ensures that Georgia's natural stone resources can be utilized without compromising its stunning landscapes. From ancient geological origins to modern applications, Georgian stones embody a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Their enduring legacy is etched into the very landscape, a testament to the resilience and artistry of the Georgian people. We hope this journey has deepened your appreciation for these magnificent stones. They are truly the heart and soul of Georgia.